Welcome this week at Vorshlag, June 16th, 2016. Let's take a walk around the shop. All right, we got a 2012 Mustang Boss302 Laguna Seca. Customer drove down from Wisconsin, 15 hours in Dallas. Let us do a bunch of upgrades to his car. Inside, we've got two Cobra seats, Stroth harnesses, Maxim Motorsports roll bar, Drake Quick Connect, disconnect, fire extinguisher mounts. All the safety goodies you need to go on track. This Laguna is going to see some serious track time, so we did a white line full Watts Link rear, lower control arms, brackets, GT500 brake upgrade, Vorshlag Bilstein Street Pro suspension. Out back, he did a custom tow hook that mounts to the rear bumper. This is not a bolt-on affair, this is a weld-on deal. But as you notice, it goes through the non-painted section of the rear bumper. So you can, up front, we have both a tow hook mount and a removable license plate bracket. Doesn't touch any of the paint, it all goes in the structure underneath. Again, we pass through unpainted plastics that can easily be replaced without having to repaint the car. All right, we got Joe's 2013 Camaro 1LE. Wrapping up our work started back in May. And the freshly powder coated Fordstar 1911 CF5s are here, wrapped in 305/30/19 Hankook rubber. We added this tow hook to the front this week. Came out really nice. It bolts through, it goes through the lower valence and into the front bumper. Now let's go in the showroom, see what's going on in here. Lots of wheels and seats. We've got plenty of Motul fluids. Pay no attention to that right there. 69 Camaro had a little work done last week. Front suspension's all finished up. Double shear mounts, caster adjustment, some custom shims on these control arms. Ready to go back together. Ryan's working on the LS Miata, doing some final welding on the rear suspension. Rear suspension's all wrapped up. Push rods are all fully welded, and all the NAS hardware is going in right now. As you can see, this is some temporary hardware, and this is the NAS custom spec hardware and all the suspension and pickup points. So all this is being removed right now. Some clearance for some bigger tires. Out behind the shop, we have this beautiful E36 M3. This car was shipped to us from Hawaii, so it came by container ship first and then by a truck. Somewhere along the way, the floors got damaged, and we had our friends at Heritage Collision, Shiloh and his crew. They fixed all the floors and repainted the whole interior. It looks like $1 million. It's ready for a 7-liter LS monstrosity. This is an E46 328 we're building. It's a 99 model with basically a lot of parts we had left over from other projects. It's got a roll bar, 2 race seats, Stroth harnesses, Bilstein PSS suspension, Vorshlag plates and shock mounts. Should be on the road in a matter of weeks. All right, R3 is in here somewhere. The machine and spring purchase for F22. These will be for S197. And we're finally doing a production batch of F22 BMW camber plates that'll work with OEM springs. That's what's being machined in the mill right now. That's it for this time. Thanks for tuning in. June 16th, 2016. We'll see you next time.